Hello guys, this is Luben Justin for Luben TV. Guys, and if you are new to my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX Cub, street cup, trikes, cripple bike, dead bike, go-kart, squat. So if you want to build bikes like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. So today I'm gonna be building a BMX Cub, guys. So I'm here in Nigeria, my country. Here we call it the home of iron condemned. So here they gather those iron like this, and then they ship them to outside countries like America, Chinese. Guys, anytime I came in this place, I look at those iron, those people gathering them here, prepared to sell it to Chinese and America. Tears flow all over my eyes, guys. Tears flow over me cause they don't know what those things means. And what I know, those iron you are seeing right here are billions of nairas, guys. Just that nobody know what to do with them. Let this video be a living proof, guys. Cause when I beg Nigeria to support me with some tools so we can do this together, and all those countries stop fooling us and taking our iron and they ignore me. Okay, watch this, guys.
Okay, 300. Yo, I go there, okay. No. Today I no carry tape.
I drop this video for you guys because I'm done with this Luben thing, and that's Luben custom. Okay, and I want to be giving you a really quick update from the other one, cause you see that one is the Luben Cube only, and this one is the EPE, right? The Cube EPE, and this is a pit bike also. Okay, so this one got many features like you can see I got a radiator there, and this thing have a tracker. This very one also has a remote and many things you can use. It has the app in the phone you can also use for startup things like that. Okay, this is the keys. This you can use this key, or you can just use the remote for startup, and everything you can see. Like here is you can see an alarm, and here is to start. You can double click. You can see just like that. And it's awesome. And this is the bike right now. So today I finally got this video done, so I want to show you guys how it works. This is the thing, and everything is perfect. This one is 1/10 bigger than that one, and it's different. Also has remote control. You can flip off it right here. You see, everything is good. So please don't just go like that. Hit the like button for the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.